Alright, so I am going to teach you how to make a square knot. This is what a square knot looks like. You have one color down the center and then you have a border of another color. This one's cool because after you master this, you can add beads to it. And it looks like this. And everyone's always really happy to get these because they think they're a little bit more sophisticated because they have beads. And I do actually have some beads that you guys can use that are this kind of bead in a ton of different colors. So if you need some, come ask for some. Okay, so to start this one, you need 4 different strings. You want 3 of the color that's going to be your border, and you want 1 of the color that's going to be your center. And you want to arrange it so that the center color is on your left and the 3 border colors are on your right. Okay, the 2 in the middle you're going to hold together the whole time. That's kind of your base string. Before you can get started, it helps to learn a little song because I had trouble remembering what the order was. So I made a song out of it and that helped me a lot. So how the song goes is it goes under, over, over through the roof, over, under through the floor. The good news is that the second verse is the same as the first, so that helps a lot. So let's do it together. Under, over, over through the roof, over, under through the floor. Okay, if you have to repeat that part of the video to learn it, do it because you're going to wish you knew it once you actually get started. Okay, so once you know it, it's really just a matter of applying the pattern. Okay, so the first part goes under, over. Pick up that string on your right. You're going to go under your 2 bass strings, but you're going to leave a loop. This loop is your house. That house has a roof. That house has a floor. It'll help you figure out which way the other string needs to go. So far we've done under, we went over that green string. Now we need to go over through the roof. So you're going to pick up that green string, you're going to go over your bass strings, and you're going to pretend like this is a house, and that this green string is crashing through the roof. Pew! It's crashing! Alright. So it's crashing through the roof, it's going underneath that loop, and then you're going to tighten it up, both sides. Hold those 2 bass strings nice and tight, and shimmy up this bass string. Okay, now we have to do the second part of the song, which goes over, under through the floor. So you're going to pick up this green string. This time you're going to go over those 2 bass strings, leave your house, you need a place to live, and you're going to go under that pink string. So far we've done over, under, now we need to go under and through the floor. So take this pink string, you're going to go under the 2 bass strings, and this time, instead of crashing through the roof, you're going to come up through the floor. So you're in the basement, you got to come out, you come out on top, you tighten it up, hold those 2 bass strings, do it again, tighten that up nice. You don't want to make it too tight, but you want to make it tight enough. Alright, now we can start at the beginning again, with this string on the right. And you want to go under, over through the roof. So I'm going to go under the 2 bass strings, keep my house, over the green string, going to take the green string, and I'm going to go over through the roof, over the 2 pink strings, crash through the roof, pew, tighten it up, and shimmy it up to the top. Then I have to do the second part. Over, under through the floor. So I'm going to go over the 2 bass strings, keep a house, under my pink string. My pink string has to go under through the floor. So I'm going to go under the bass strings, pick it up through the top floor, straighten it up, make it tight. Do a couple more so you can see. So I'm going to go under, over, over through the roof. That's part one. Then over, under, under through the floor. And you should end up with your center color all the way down the center and your border color on the sides. If you do two of the first step together instead of getting the second step in there, it'll start to switch on you, which sometimes looks kind of cool actually, but is less than ideal. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask me.